I'm just letting her warm up. I just like started this car out, and I don't know about all your guys' SIs, but I know I was talking to a couple kids and they said that theirs are kind of like, the gears are kind of like boggy and notchy when it's cold out. So I'm just getting her up to temperature right now, and then we can focus on the whole shifting. Alright, so today I'm going to be reviewing the aluminum extended shift knob for an 8th generation SI. First thing we're going to talk about this knob is the weight on it. Alright, so guys, number one is lightness. As I said, like weight. Compared to OEM, I actually have the stock knob right here. This thing is so much more heavier and like, I don't know, just the short shifting, obviously it's for like faster shifts, whatever, but this one, the weight is just incredible. Like when I picked this up, it literally felt like I was holding like a piece of cardboard. Now, you know, that can both be good and bad at the same time, but next thing we're going to talk about is comfort. And I'm not saying that OEM is bad, but I'm saying that this one is just, it's more comfortable in my hand. Oh, and one more thing, Nick, if you're watching this, you're absolutely correct with the fast shifting and pretty much what you said about the whole, you know, be careful with the extended shift knob, because, you know, it's not good to have it under a lot of pressure. Like when you slam gears, you might fuck up your linkage. So I haven't really tried it. I mean, I've got on it. Alright, so guys, stay tuned for the next video. I have parts coming for the Project Midnight series. It should be up sometime this week. If not, then probably the weekend. So thanks again for watching. Peace out, guys.